Last week, I created a video about whether or not ChatGPT was worth the money, meaning if you were going to go for the plus version and paying $20 a month, and was it really worth it? Now, I'll leave a link up here to be able to show you that video if you haven't already watched it. But if you have already watched it, you'll know my conclusion. But since then, I've had a few comments down below pointing out why I was wrong. And I was like, okay, let's check this out. A lot of the things they were speaking about was about the plugins. So I thought, all right, I'll have a look at it. So today, I'm going to be showing you not only how to find the plugins, but we'll also have a look at whether or not it enhances it enough to be worth paying for. Now, I'm open to criticism and I'm also open to being wrong. Now, if I'm wrong, that's cool. So let's go check it out. Last week, I was coming from a product creation perspective about whether or not I thought ChatGPT4 was worth the extra money of paying $20 a month. My conclusion at the end of that video was no, it's not. But after I made that video, I got a lot of comments down below saying that, have you considered the plugins? And I was like, I never even realized they even had plugins. So after doing a little bit of research and found out actually how to find the plugins. So let's show you right now how to get those plugins coming up. So you just go over to your down here where it says, for me, it's Product Creation Formula, whatever yours happens to be. Click on that. Then what you need to do is go over here to Settings and Beta. You click on that. And then you go over here to the beta features. And then you see where it's got down here, it says plugins. You click on that, and then that turns on the plugin section. And we'll just get rid of that. Now, as you hover over the top of it, you'll see that it now adds this, which is default, and plugins. Now, I already have a few plugins because I've been playing around with this. You click on that, and you can then get this here. Now, I'm going to go to here, click on top of that. And as you can see, I've got the, it says no plugins because I've got them all turned off. But if you want to grab some content or grab some plugins, you can go to their plugin store, which is right here. You click on that, and then you can have a look at the various products that they have. Now, this only goes for 2 pages, this particular one, but if you hit all, you'll find that you end up with a lot more content that you can be checking out. So you got the A+ Doc Maker, and you can have a read about each one of these, and you can scroll through and have a look at all these various plugins that you might consider appropriate for your needs. Now, I found a few, because I'm a YouTuber, I found a few for YouTube and so forth. And you can also, if you have an idea, let's say for example in this particular case, YouTube, and you just click on that, and it'll come up with all the ones that can help you with YouTube. 𝗤𝗂𝗁𝗲𝗏𝗋𝗋𝒡𝑎pp, summarize your YouTube videos, this one here, insights and summarize, chat with video, ask questions, analyzing and passing through YouTube videos by simply providing YouTube URLs. That's one I might consider installing, so I might just install that. Then you got effortlessly buff and post socials SEO. You got here link reader, Mixbot, and all of these have to do with YouTube. As you can see, it's got like 3 pages worth of this stuff just alone. We've got one here for 𝗣𝗏𝗁𝗲 and various other ones here, and you can have a look at what they have. Now, what's this one? Oh, YouTube Summarizer. Free YouTube Summarizer saves a lot of screen time by summarizing your YouTube video with timestamps. Oh, that's going to come in handy. Definitely, that's going to come in handy. Click on that. So all we need to do now is go over here and have a look at the various ones they have. So I have a few of them, as you can see. I just got 2 more in there. So I've got this one here and this one here. But if I wanted to, I could add 3. You're only allowed to do 3 at a time. Let's say, for example, I wanted to have vidIQ as well. If I wanted to do any more, it only allows me to do 3. See, 3 out of 3 enabled. But, you might decide that you want to get more, and if you do, you just disconnect that one and maybe choose this one. It doesn't matter. It's up to you how you want to do it. Now, what you need to do is basically just go over here to click on this. And we'll go down to the very bottom here where it says Plugin Store. Click on that. And over here, you've got the About plugin. So let's just click on that. This particular one is saying that ChatGPT or OpenAI is not in control of these plugins, and they're basically just warning you to be careful. This one here talks about the fact that it actually gives a little bit of information to the app to be able to help it work. So for example, ChatGPT may send conversations, custom instructions, and the country or state you're in to the plugin. And the bottom one is perhaps the most important one. ChatGPT automatically chooses when to use a plugin during the conversation depending on the plugin you've enabled. So you hit that. So we're there. But let me just show you something. If you've gone to, say, for example, open ChatGPT 3.5, it's not there. And if you, say, for example, have that one turned on, by accident, when you turn it on, it just goes to default automatically. If it goes there and you don't have those three icons just there, then it won't work with those apps. You absolutely have to make sure that these are turned on. Now let's just go here, and I want to analyze a particular video. So what I might do here is say, please summarize and analyze this video. And all we have to do is enter, and we'll wait and see what it's going to say. But in the meantime, let's have a word from our sponsor. If you're looking for a voiceover for your next project, why not consider an AI voice generator and text-to-speech platform called 𝗬𝗲. It uses realistic AI voices that will captivate your audience. 𝗬𝗲 is the go-to AI voiceover generator and text-to-speech platform for over 500,000 creators, saving them 90% of their time and budget. Experience the full power of cutting-edge text-to-speech, online video editor, AI voices, AI art, and an AI writing generator that delivers premium results for your next project. With over 500,000 users, you know you're in good company. You can use 𝗬𝗲 for advertising, education, explainer videos, YouTube videos, corporate training, audiobooks, podcasts, social media, product demos, and customer service IVR. Let's go inside 𝗬𝗲 and I'll introduce you to Jenny. Jenny is feature-rich and gives you unparalleled voiceover production powered by realistic AI voices. Not only that, but you now have the power to not only produce professional videos with realistic human-sounding voices, you can even use Jenny's AI writer to create your video or audio script. It includes a powerful, easy-to-use video editor so that you don't have to use multiple softwares to get your video produced. You can even use their AI art generator to create original images to include in your videos. Jenny from 𝗬𝗲 allows you to be able to select over 100 different voices from around the world. So why would you want to use AI voiceovers instead of real human voices? Number one, if the language you're using isn't your main language, you can use 𝗬𝗲's AI voiceovers to give you a native sounding voice that suits that country's audience. Number two, it's faster than trying to use your own voice or hiring a voiceover artist to create the voiceover. Number three, you don't have to re-record your voice every time you make a mistake. And number four, it's cheaper than hiring a professional voiceover artist. At the moment, 𝗬𝗲 has a special 50% discount for a limited time. Grab a yearly pro account for a whopping 50% off. Right now, you can join 𝗬𝗲 for only $24 a month when you grab the yearly subscription. Link is in the description down below. So grab 𝗬𝗲 today. I know you'll love it as much as I do. Alright, so if you have a look at this, have a quick read through. And this literally does summarize my entire video. It analyzed what was being said, even the discount when it came to the, even the 50% discount on the yearly pro account. Then as you go through, you can have a bit of a read through, and you can see it talks about Steve AI, as well as all the other things that I mentioned in the video. So this really did summarize it and break it down into dot points, which was really, really good. So you can also, if you wish to, start a new chat. Now just be aware that when you start a new chat, it doesn't always take you to this one. Sometimes, yeah, there we go, it takes you to ChatGPT 3.5, and there you go over here to ChatGPT4, and you need to make sure that that plugin is clicked. So we now go clicking here, let's get rid of this one, and we'll choose another one and have a look and see what else there might be something else that it can do. So let's click on what's trending. Click on that, and you might just say, what's trending on the topic of AI. We hit enter, and we'll have a look and see what it says. So if you have a look here, you can actually see there are some links. So there are 330 to 3,600 searches. OpenAI is another one. It's another strong one that's trending right now. Strong AI versus general AI. It's another one. Age of AI. AI 𝗬𝗟𝗪. I'm not sure what that means. But you can actually have a look at this. I'm just have a look at this particular one here. I mean, I don't have a clue what that one's about. So let's just click on that and see what it takes us to. So it opens it up to this one here. Didn't take me to a specific page, but narrow AI versus general AI. Okay, so it looks like it's pretty close to what we're looking for. And then you can have a look and have a bit of a read through that if you wish to. You can also have a look over here. Let's look at OpenAI and see where it takes us to. There we go, it takes us over here to OpenAI. You can go have a look at all these other ones. I'm not sure what that one's about. Oh, okay, so that's something from a different language that I just don't understand. So I won't be using that one. But it's interesting because it does take you to these various sites. And you can choose this one here, Surge AI, have a look on that. And just have a look and see what it's doing. You can also sign in if you wish to, or sign up. Every channel, every signal, every day. Real-time internet insights, no cookies needed. Just get access top 100 trends on YouTube, Instagram, and Amazon and Google. And you can have a look at all the various trends that are happening right now, which could be a really good way of making sure you rank really well in your videos if you create videos. This one is from Surge AI, and that was one of the ones that I had downloaded earlier at a previous time. So what's my actual verdict when it comes to whether or not we should pay the $20 a month for ChatGPT? Well, with the power of the plugins, I think it's actually worth $20 a month. I was actually wrong last week when I did the video. I wasn't aware of the plugins, and because of that reason, I missed out on showcasing the plugins, which really did amplify its value to me. So yes, I do believe it's worth $20 a month now. Hey guys, if you could subscribe and like, and also comment down below, it'll really help the algorithm, because I'm trying to reach 10,000 subscribers as quickly as possible. If you could help me out with that, that'd be awesome. Alright guys, if you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing? So leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of ChatGPT and the new plugin section. Right, now just to let you also know that right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here is an image of my head. Now if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.